just me, Jenifer Lewis. Who else?
Jenifer Lewis!
You remember, I kicked up a storm on season 11. And now, I have top secret information on someone I have known since her start. Woodpecker. She's been called a mogul, a chic CEO.
Sports page, she's an athlete.
And she even became friends with Beyonce.
We have a superstar in our hands.
What? Friends with Beyonce?
This bird is a baddie.
Okay, that's a lot to live up to. I try not to think about all that. I've just been taught that the only doors that open are the ones you knock on. So I knock on them all. And now I'm striving to be the youngest billionaire. I want to prove that I can do anything. That's why I'm here. The singing, the dancing, bring it on.
I believe in you 100%. Make Auntie Jen proud.